Babe! Babe! Wait. Why are you dressed up?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I'm going to the office.
Office? What for?
I have an important meeting with clients on this wedding couple then I want to get married.
Today?
Man must work.
Oh yeah, come and share and eat your breakfast.
What price? Give me my food. Let me eat. I'm running late already.
No problem, eat. By the way, why do you have a meeting today?
It's an urgent meeting. I have this couple that wants to get wedded and they need me. So I have to go.
So this meeting you are going for today, are they male or female?
Male or female? Couple is male and female. They are both.
Really?
Yeah.
So the females coming, are they pretty beautiful?
Yeah! I haven't checked them out, so I don't know.
Hey. Wow. So who do you check out?
Who do I check out? You know I have eyes for you and you alone. So I haven't checked them out. That doesn't mean I'm not checking them out.
Please don't even butter me up with those your Oyiko talks.
Yeah!
Are they beautiful? I want to know exactly the kind of girls coming to that meeting.
Why all these questions?
I have rights to ask questions anymore.
Oh, sorry. Hello? Yeah, I'm still at home. But I'm coming to the office now. Yeah, I'll soon be at the office. Yeah. Just wait. Yeah, thank you. Babe, let me rush to the office.
Just like that. At least finish the food now.
I told you I have a meeting already. See you later. Yeah!
He has started again. He has started every time he forgets his key. Oh.
Why the long face? Then why are you looking like this?
It's just funny. I woke up this morning, since he doesn't go to work today, made him breakfast, and all of a sudden he came out all dressed up, saying he needs to be at the office for some meeting.
Jesus Christ. For reals?
What happened?
This is what happened to my friend though.
What happened to your friend?
I didn't tell you.
Tell me what?
This is what happened to Cynthia. Cynthia's fiancé. Stop eating her breakfast. All in the name of his having meetings with people in his office.
And then, what happened?
They didn't end up getting married now. It turned up that he's cheating on her.
I know. I don't want to believe that.
I'm telling you not to take this issue lightly.
So what are you suggesting I do?
You need to settle this thing. You need to go to that office and check.
So Oyiko is cheating on me, eh? He's having an affair, eh? Before he left here, he had this call and it was a female that called him.
The same thing I had that even those bride and those wedding planners that used to come to his office for wedding planning event and all those things, they are fine girls.
And me.
Hey, even the event planner said the way they'll be rubbing body up and down. So I did not tell you. You better go to his office and check. If you don't go to his office, you even know what is going on. Sir, you have to go to his office to check out by yourself.
So Oyiko wants to kill me.
No problem.
I'm going to his office. He's probably with his secretary right now. Could he even be telling her that he loves her? God, what do I have to do? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? How could he do this to me? How could he even leave the house lying to me he has a meeting? Eh? I need to go there. Let me go.
You need
I
to
can't
go.
take any chances.
You need to go.
Where is that stupid girl? Where is the girl? Oyiko? That girl you are cheating on me with. So you cannot talk again, Oyiko? So now you have lost your tongue. You don't know how to talk.
What? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
What don't you understand? Don't you understand English? Where is that girl you are cheating on me with?
Which girl are you talking about?
Oh, see today, God has catch you. I'm ready for you and that news and today. So you are cheating on me truly, Oyiko? Hey! After everything. Sorry. Bia, so it is you? So she's the one. Please, what does she have?
This is just the secretary of this office.
So they don't used to have things to do with secretaries. You want to snatch my husband to be from me, By the time I am through with you, in fact, I don't have to talk with you. You just wait. Oyiko!
Can you go home? When I get home, we'll talk.
It has finished. I should go home and let her stay. After he has used me to cook, wash your dirty clothes, and clean that your rough house that I've helped you to arrange, now I should go home. No problem. I will go home, but to go and pack my things and go to my father's house. Shebi, you have half the girl you want to marry. You kept her here and leave me useless in the house. No problem, I will go home.
Just go home. When I get home, we'll talk.
I should go home.
I'll meet you at home. This is the office.
Yeah, I'll go. You. I'll go. Am I not overreacting? I mean, that girl looks really innocent too. No. You can't just judge people by how they look. Is this all in my thoughts? Is it my mind? God, what do I do? Let me apologize.
Sorry about what happened. She has gone.
Run.
I said it.
Babe, it's not what.
I said it.
No, let me fuck up.